this beast into a bedroom on the wheels. Hello everyone. If you're a proud owner of Tata Harrier or a person who loves road trips and camping, this video is going to be super helpful. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your Tata Harrier into a country night sleep on the go. Whether it's a quick nap or a full-on night camping setup, let us turn this beast into a bedroom on the wheels. SUVs have a lot of space, but we ever hardly use it to its full potential. So now let me show you guys how practical and simple it can be. Just imagine you're on a beautiful hilltop and just want to sleep under the stars. Well, that's why this setup comes in handy. I'm going to show you how to utilize the full space of the SUV and Harrier to make a full-size bed. Well, usually during long road trips, we always carry luggage, which minimizes space for us to sleep. That is why we'll be taking the luggage and putting it between the seats. That's how we're going to put the luggage between the seats. We have a custom-made mattress only for this Tata Harrier. So now, if you were to fold two seats at the front, you will be able to get space for one person to sleep and one person to sit. So now we are just gonna flip this mattress like that, and there you go. Well, that's one part of it. If you want, you could just adjust it, and there you go, a comfy soft mattress just for the Tata Harrier. Now I'm going to show you the full potential of the Tata Harrier. We're gonna fold this seat as well. Press on the button firmly, pull. Remove the headrest if you like to. Put it aside safely, and then just place the mattress. There you go, a full-size bed for anyone to sleep on. If you want, you could also put pillows and blankets. Well, this is how your Tata Harrier bed looks like, and anyone could sleep in it. It's going to be a super comfy night sleep, or it could also be just a nap. So well, that's it. And this is how you turn your beautiful SUV into a full-size bed. Let me know what do you think. Have you ever tried something like this in your SUV before? Well, comment down below. Well, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.